In today's fast-paced world, staying connected is more than just a convenience. It is a necessity. But many times we face issues with network connectivity. Fortunately, data science can help. In this video, you will see a demo on how to monitor network quality with the power of data and algorithms. Let me first start with a brief explanation on how the mobile network works. Mobile networks are divided into regions called cells, each served by a base station or a cell tower. These towers connect to mobile phones via radio waves and are strategically placed to cover a specific area. The connection strength or the power between the mobile phones and the base station is measured in decibel. Higher the power, better is the connection. One simple way to monitor the network is to analyze the power between all the mobile locations and the base station and locate the mobile location with less power. However, it is normal that a mobile location which are far from base station will show less power. So it's not a good approach. Telecommunication companies usually take a different approach, in which they set up some theoretical locations and then analyze the power between the theoretical location and the base station. Each theoretical location will have different power based on where it is located. Then all the mobile locations are assigned to a theoretical location based on the distance, and then an analysis is made comparing the power of mobile location versus the theoretical location. In this demo, I will take an example of a cell located in the city of Porto in Portugal. Shown here is all the mobile locations for a cell in the city of Porto. And now here are the theoretical locations which have been set up by the telecommunication company. In total, there are 10 theoretical locations which cover the cell area. Each theoretical location is shown in a different color. Now, let's use the shortest distance algorithm to assign each mobile location to a theoretical location. So here you see 10 clusters of mobile location, and the color of the cluster corresponds to the color of theoretical location. Now, as the mobile location is assigned to a theoretical location, we can use a heat map which compares the difference between the actual mobile power and the theoretical power. So on the x-axis you have the mobile location, and on the y-axis you have the theoretical location. The color of the heat map is the difference between the actual power and the theoretical power. Let us make a filter where we see only significant differences. We observe that the theoretical location 3 has the most number of differences. For example, there is a huge difference between the theoretical power and the actual power for the mobile location 178, for the mobile location 438, and the mobile location 439 for the theoretical location 3. Now this means that these locations are facing network quality issues as the power is significantly less than the theoretical power. Let us now see where they are on the map. And this corresponds to the points which are shown here. We see the location 178, the mobile location 438, and the mobile location 439. Now these locations are near the bridge over the Douro River, and this might mean that there are some network issues created due to the river and the bridge. So it would be useful to set up another base station on the other side of the Douro River, and which can improve the network quality. Alright my friends, hopefully you are enjoying this video. Let me now show you on how you can also access this demo. So you can go to my website experiencedatascience.com, and then here you can look for the experience assign geolocation to central location. Now I've already set up two data sets. One is the telco mobile location and other is the telco theoretical location. If you want, you can also add your own data so that you can do all the analysis with your own data sets. And anytime you can also hover over the tip button to see what to do at each step. Now let us go ahead and select and copy the data telco mobile locations as well as the telco theoretical location. Alright, so the data set has now been set up, and let me now go ahead and select the telco mobile location, and here you will see three tabs: the data display tab, the assign closest centers to location, and visualizing geospatial markers. And let us first start with the data display, and let us see a few records of this particular data set. So I will make some settings and execute this. Right, so I see now the data, and I have the longitude, the latitude, and the place name for all the mobile locations. Now let us assign these mobile locations to some theoretical location. So I will go into the second tab, and then I will select the latitude, the longitude, the column for place name, and let me go ahead and select the place name, and let me also select the data set for the center. So in this case, it is the theoretical location, which is the telco underscore theoretical underscore location underscore CSV, which has got all the theoretical location. Let me now make other settings, and more importantly, let me save the output of this so that we can use it for further analytics. And let me now execute this. Alright, so I now have all the locations have been assigned to theoretical location. You can also download this particular data, and you'll see that all the mobile locations have been assigned to a theoretical location. Now let us go to the third step, which is visualization of the geospatial markers. Now here, as indicated in the tip, I need to change the data set to telco mobile location output closest location. This is the output which was generated in the previous tab. So let me go ahead and first change my data set, and now execute this. And let me go ahead and make the settings as indicated in the tip. I'll set up latitude, the longitude. Let us also select the color of the marker based on the theoretical location. And for the tooltip, I can have all of them selected. Let me now execute this. And in a while, you'll see the visualization which I had shown you earlier. Alright my friends, hopefully you have enjoyed this video. Please to subscribe to the channel, like and comment, and see you soon in another exciting demo video.